Hello my dear students, all is well. Welcome back to computer class. This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. In the previous video, you have studied about what is Microsoft Excel, how can we open Microsoft Excel and components of Excel window. Now in this video, we are going to learn about switching between worksheet, renaming a worksheet, adding a new worksheet, removing a worksheet and autofill feature of Microsoft Excel. So let's start. So student, to switch between worksheet, click on the worksheet name on the worksheet tab. You can see that in the diagram. So click on the worksheet name on the worksheet tab. When you have multiple worksheets, then only a few worksheet name available on the screen. So to switch between worksheet, you can click on the arrow button on the worksheet tab. You can see that in the diagram. There are 4 arrows available at the bottom left corner of the workbook. So from here, you can switch between first, previous, next and last worksheet. So dear student, now we will learn how can we rename a worksheet. To rename a worksheet, you have to double click on the name of the worksheet on the worksheet tab. You can see that in the diagram. So double click on the worksheet name. After that, type the new name and press the enter key. You can see that in the diagram. Old name of worksheet is sheet 1 and new name is January. Another way to rename a worksheet is right click on the worksheet, then click rename. After that, type a new name. Okay, this is the another way to rename a worksheet. Now we will learn how can we insert a new worksheet. For quickly adding worksheet at the end, click the insert worksheet button at the end of the worksheet tab. You can see that in the diagram. So you have to click on the insert worksheet button. Okay. And if you want to add worksheet between existing sheet, select the worksheet before which you want the new worksheet to be placed and follow the given steps. Click on the home tab. You can see that in the diagram. Okay. Then click the arrow next to the insert option in the cell group. Okay, click on the arrow next to the insert option in the cell group. When you click on the insert option, then a drop down list is displayed. You can see that in the diagram. Now select the insert sheet option. You have to click on the insert sheet option. When you click on the insert sheet option, a new worksheet will be added between the existing sheets. So these are very simple steps to add new worksheet. In the same way, you can remove a worksheet. To remove a worksheet, place the mouse pointer on the worksheet that you wish to delete and follow the given steps. Click the home tab. You can see that in the diagram. Then click the arrow next to the delete option in the cell group. Okay, when you click on the arrow, then a drop down list is displayed. Now choose the delete sheet option. Okay, when you click on the delete sheet option, your sheet will be deleted. Another way to delete a worksheet is right click on the worksheet which you want to delete. Okay, then click on the delete option. This is the another way to delete a worksheet. So students, now we will learn about very important feature of Microsoft Excel, that is autofill. Autofill is a feature in Excel that allows you to create a series of numbers, dates or other items that follow a particular pattern. Autofill is a very useful Excel feature, allow you to create entire columns or rows of data which are based on the value of other cells. Instead of entering all your data manually, you can use the autofill feature to fill cell with data follows a particular pattern or that is based on data in other cells. Essentially, MS Excel autofill lets you create a spreadsheet more efficiently, allowing you to quickly fill cell with a series of data. Using autofill, you can fill the cells using the predefined or user-defined series of data. Predefined series includes day like Monday, Tuesday, or month name Jan, Feb, March, and so on. User-defined series include number like 2, 4, 6, or date 1 March 2001, 1 July 2001, and so on. You can generate a series either by using fill handle or by using the fill option in the editing group on the home tab. So students, now we will learn how can we generate a predefined series using fill handle. Fill handle is the small black square that appears when you place the mouse pointer at the right corner, lower right corner of the selected cell. When you point to the fill handle, the cursor shape changes to a black plus sign. To generate a predefined series, follow the given steps. Specify the initial value of the predefined series. You can see that in the diagram. Okay, so here I am specifying Jan as the initial value. After that, drag the fill handle across the cell you want to fill. Okay, after this process, your series will be filled. So these are very simple steps to generate predefined series using fill handle. Now we will learn how can we generate user-defined series using fill handle. So students, to generate user-defined series, you can follow the given steps. First step is specify the first two consecutive value of the series. You can see that in the diagram. Excel will pick up the pattern from the value entered and generate the rest of the series. Second step is drag the fill handle across the cell you want to fill. Okay, your user-defined series will generate. So dear students, I hope you have understood the concept of how can we switch between worksheet, how can we add, remove and rename the worksheet, and autofill feature of MS Excel. I will coming soon with new video and new chapter. Till that time, bye bye.